In the past, we have looked at asking why with he, ha, I, or as people would generally say, here, hi. Now, there are three forms of this, why did, why are, and why will. Now, we ask why in the past with he, ha, I. He ha koe, tangi ai, why did you cry? He ha rato waiata ai, tara waiata, why did they sing that song? He ha rato riri ai, why were they angry? We ask why in the future with he ha I. He ha koe, haere atu I, why will you go? And we ask why is with he ha ana. He ha koe, tangi ana, why are you crying? And we can ask why something is happening like right now at this very second, at this very moment with he ha nei. He ha arangi haere atu nei, why is rangi leaving right now? So how do we negate these and say, why didn't you speak? Why aren't you listening? Why won't you leave? Why won't you leave? I wish you'd go. For this, we're going to add a new negative word. Now, we have had ka for no, koa for don't, kaore to negate a verbal or a possessive sentence, and ehara to negate a non-verbal sentence. And now we have a new one, kore. So the formula is he, ha, and then the subject, you, me, them, rangi, the children, the dog, and then I, kore, I, and then the verb. For example, he, ha, I, kore, I, haere ki te mahi, why didn't he go to work? That is a lot of words, He, ha, I, kore, I, just to say why didn't. What can you do about it? Anyway, he ha koe I kore ai korero ki te kaiko, why didn't you talk to the teacher? He ha arangi I kore ai waiata I te waiata, why didn't Rangi sing the song? The way to ask why won't in the future is almost exactly the same, except that we use instead of I. He ha arangi kore ai waiata I te waiata, why won't Rangi sing the song? He ha koe kore ai korero ki te kaiko, why won't you talk to the teacher? And we can ask why isn't something happening now with ana. He ha koe I kore ai korero ana ki te kaiko, why aren't you talking to the teacher? Have you got that in your head? Wouldn't surprise me if you didn't.